Assembly and usage. Tutorial for M-100 portable grinder. Maintenance and installation of conical globe valve seat. Select the drive shaft, centering sleeve, motor seat and angle grinding head. 1. Angle grinding head installation method. If the valve diameter is less than 40, use a short drive shaft centering sleeve, a grinding head with a diameter of 32 or less, and tighten the motor seat with an internal hexagonal screw to complete the installation of the motor. 2. Angle grinding head installation method. If the valve diameter is greater than 40, use a long drive shaft, a centering sleeve, a grinding head of 542 or above, tighten with M10 nuts, install the motor seat, and complete the installation of the motor. Installation precautions. Ensure that the drive shaft and motor seat are installed in place. The motor and motor seat are installed in place. Repair of conical globe valve seat. By measuring the valve core angle and diameter, select the grinding head for installation. Fix the sandpaper between the clamping sleeve and the grinding head, and start grinding with the handheld motor and centering sleeve. Maintenance and installation of flat globe valve. Choose a short drive shaft with a small universal joint, parallel grinding head pressure block, sandpaper pressure plate, large valve core universal shaft, motor seat, and handheld sleeve. Valve core maintenance and installation method. Select parallel grinding heads with a diameter of 75 or above, motor seats and large valve core universal shafts. Install the parallel grinding head onto the large valve core universal shaft, tighten the motor seat with internal hexagonal screws, and complete the installation of the motor. Valve core maintenance and usage method. Measure the diameter of the valve core and select a parallel grinding head for installation. Valve cores with a diameter of 570 or less are commonly equipped with a 575 parallel grinding head. Apply sandpaper to the parallel grinding head for grinding and maintenance. Valve seat maintenance and installation method. 1. For valves with a diameter greater than 50, use parallel sandpaper pressure plates, handheld sleeves, and parallel grinding heads with a diameter of 75 or above. Install the parallel grinding head and sandpaper pressure plate onto the handheld sleeve in sequence. Place sandpaper between the grinding head and sandpaper pressure plate. Tighten the nut, install the motor, and complete the installation. Valve seat maintenance and installation method. 2. If the valve diameter is less than 50, choose a flat grinding head pressure block, a short drive shaft with a small universal head, and parallel grinding heads with a diameter of less than 70, and a motor seat. Install the grinding head, sandpaper, and the grinding head pressing block onto the small universal head in sequence. Tighten the screws, install the motor seat and the motor, and complete the installation. Valve seat maintenance usage method. Measure the sealing surface of the valve seat and the diameter of the inner hole of the valve seat. Select the parallel grinding head and the grinding head pressure block. Start installing the grinding and keep it perpendicular to the sealing surface during the grinding process. Suggested grinding method. First, use 120 sandpaper for polishing to observe the damage to the sealing surface. Based on the damage to the sealing surface, choose sandpaper or gauze for grinding and repair. Observe the grinding effect of the sealing surface at any time. Gradually increase the grinding mesh and complete the valve repair. The grinding process remains smooth and concentric. After use, turn off the motor first. Wait for the motor to stop rotating and then remove the motor.